Hey, so here's iPhone. So to install Masters app and follow Masters tournament, so here is the app. That's how it's called. It's right now #1 in charts because obviously when there is a Master tournament, you can just get it. Free app, 95 megabytes in size. You can watch live covers, see every shot, follow favorite players, live leaderboard, all of that. So let's just try to open it up. So then you can see live scores, leaderboard, then you can go and see it live. I don't know if you need to add TV provider or not. Then you have players, then you have more. And of course there is like newsletter, schedule. You can also create an account here. So that's that. And also you can see this kind of maps and track. And of course there are like news and stuff like that. So there you have it. Seems you don't even need to be located in United States, or you don't need a TV provider to use this app. So hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. Visit MrHack.io.